No Mpox vaccination plans yet, says Lucanisman. Petalingjaya. The government does not plan to introduce an immunization program against Mpox yet, despite the disease being declared a global public health emergency again by the World Health Organization, WHO. Deputy Health Minister Lucanisman Awangsani said there were no plans at present, adding that there have been no recent cases of Mpox in Malaysia. However, he said, the ministry is monitoring the situation, Bernama reported. On Sunday, the ministry said it will increase surveillance at international entry points while travelers from countries with reported Mpox cases need to monitor for symptoms of Mpox infection for 21 days after arriving in Malaysia. Those with a history of risky activities and symptoms like rashes need to undergo a check at nearby health facilities immediately and avoid contact with other people to prevent the disease from spreading. Mpox was declared a global public health emergency for the first time on the 23rd of July, 2022, and the status was rescinded on the 11th of May, 2023. Malaysia had reported 9 Mpox cases from June to November, 2023. On the 14th of August, WHO again declared Mpox a public health emergency of international concern after an outbreak in the Democratic Republic of Congo since January, largely involving children. More than 500 people have reportedly died from Mpox in that country.
I have a simple favor to ask. If you're finding this discussion interesting, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes and comments mean a lot to us and help others find this content. If you haven't already, consider watching the whole video to support our channel. Your engagement is crucial and enables us to keep providing detailed analyses of global events. Thank you for being a part of our community.